everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CADD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I'm a civil CAD engineer in a CADD NEST. So today I'm just going to discuss about AutoCAD topic here. So today I'm just going to discuss about a rectangle array. So how to do the rectangle array. So I'm just going to make in that one. So now see, by using this rectangle array, how to place a column exactly in the grid position. That one I am just going to make in that. So example for that one, what I'll do, I'll make suppose example, let it be, I'll take one line here. Okay, so now see here, this one grid lines I have made it for that to create a just to place a column in that grid line. So what you can do for that one, so I'll make a column for that one. Suppose the column dimension you can take for normally for G plus 2, G plus 3, that is 9 inches into 12 inches you can take for that. Now suppose see, I'm just going to take one column size. After taking the column size, if I select this one, you can select this one and you can just move this option from. If you're moving this one, make sure that you have to move from the exactly from this middle point from this column. Okay, select this and I'm just going to place on the exactly on the point here. After placing the point, you can select this one. Now you can go to rectangle array. If you click this rectangle array here, now by default the rectangle array will come in rows and columns, but it is not attached exactly in the edge point. If you want to keep in exactly in the edge point, so select this from here to here the point and just click on that. Now till here it is taken from here. So now I wanted to take till this one. Then what you can do, you can drag this last fourth column and you can drag to till that and the last column here. So again I'll select this as a second row from here. Click on this. So for select the last row from here and just click on the last point of the grid here. So now like that you can make use of this column. Not only that column here, you can place like anything. If you want to place like in a rows and column, if you want to make an arrangement for that, you can make in this one. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you understood. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.